How to create a YouTube thumbnail that gets clicks using Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail that actually gets clicks in the easiest way possible in less than 5 minutes. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, safe and healthy. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials like these. Designing a professional YouTube thumbnail is not easy using professional designing tools such as Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, but with Canva, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. If you don't have an account on Canva, please visit canva.com and create a free account. After that, log into your account and browse to the home page. Now we can search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so now you can see a lot of YouTube thumbnail design templates to choose from. Let's scroll down to see all of these options available to use. Let me tell you this, all of these templates are proven to work and have an excellent click-through rate, so feel comfortable choosing any of these templates and customize it as per your requirement. If you see, there are several templates that are completely free to use, and you will notice some of them have a crown on it. It means these are specifically for Canva Pro subscribers. If you want to use these templates, you have to be a Canva Pro subscriber. For now, let's pick a template and customize it as per our requirement. Okay, the template is now open on the Canva screen. Everything on this template can be edited. You can edit the fonts, size, color, add new design elements, update new images, and customize it as per your requirement. If you want to adjust the font, please double-click on the text and go up here and click on Fonts. You'll see hundreds of different font options available for you to use. You can select these fonts to see how they look on the template. Once you finalize the font of your choice, you can adjust the font size and change the font color as per your requirement. To change the font size, you can go here and adjust the font size as per your requirement. If you want to change the font color, you can go here and adjust the font color. If you want to add any new design elements, go on the left-hand side and click on Elements and search for anything specific you are looking for. In case if you want to delete anything on this template, select it and click on this delete icon here. If you want to move anything on this template, select it and move it around like this. If you want to update images on this template, go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for any stock photos. Or you can go down here and click on Uploads to upload any image of your choice. In case you made any mistakes while editing this template, you can always go up here at the top and click on this Undo button here. To resize anything on this template, for example fonts, design elements, images, or any other graphics, there is a shortcut. Select it and resize it like this. Once you are done with all the updates on this template, go on the top left hand side and click on File. Scroll down and click on Save. For your information, Canva also saves all of your work automatically. If you wish to download this file, go on the top right hand side and click on Share and scroll down and click on Download and download the file directly on your computer. See, that was so easy. Now you can design a professional YouTube thumbnail for all your videos all by yourself in less than 5 minutes. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.